Money. Dollar sign. Yeah. Anything you fucking do, hardcore 8 fitness. Look at this artwork too, man. This shit's nice as hell. Some real gladiator shit. Yeah, man. All right, what's up, Apester family? We're here back at Freebird. Today we got tempo squats, we got a little bit of leg accessories, calves, and we're gonna have a good workout. Yeah, we're gonna work on form. We're gonna really take our time with this tempo squats, get really a lot of contracts with the bodybuilding. Yesterday was a cold day, snowed and everything, but it's all good. Got my pre, today is red. I'm gonna tell you guys now, it's been like 3-4 videos in. So basically what I do is I put salt, pre-workout, Gatorade, a little bit of honey, a little bit like mix it up. And I think a little bit of Himalayan salt too if I have it. And yeah, that's just that. And gets me going, you know what I mean? So it's good. All right, today we got these squats here. Got this on the actual squat rack. Yeah, this is my first time doing squats on this. So usually when I do my competitions, it's gonna be on one of these ones or it's gonna be on like a bench bar like that. See it there? With the actual bench is like actually, you can't move, like it's hard. Most benches are not like this, but these are like the actual powerlifting competition benches and squat racks. So I'm actually really excited to do this today. So let's do it. I'm gonna do it, figure out all the calculations for the kg, LB. Let's get into it, man. Let's go. Oh. 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 All right, we good. All right, we good. First set. All right, for my first time squatting with this rack and this bar, yeah, I rated like a 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's really good on the starting, good off top, loading it, perfect. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's see how this shit gets. Let's go. All right, guys, so that was my top sets for my warm-up. Right now we got 415 for 2 reps, tempo as my top working set, as my top set, sorry. Then after we're gonna figure out, I'm gonna tap in with my coach, try to figure out my work sets, but right now, I know I got 415 for the 2 sets for the tempo. Those warming sets felt amazing, I felt good. Everything was controlled, everything was good. I know all my food intake, my water's intake, so I know I'm gonna hit this really well. So let's get into it, let's get down. Dirty, Apester time, mode, let's go, let's get it. Money, 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 dollar sign. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, man, that felt good. I felt crazy. Really slow and controlled on the tempo. It's gonna grow your quads, bro. This is my first exercise. My quads are already pumped. I feel it. Doing good, yo. This gives you a rush. Your top set always has to give you a rush. If your top set doesn't give you a rush, you didn't hit your top set properly. Like, now I can do bare stuff. If I have to run through a brick wall, I can do it. Enough of the talking though. Gonna figure out with my coach, check in my work sets. We're gonna hit these work sets, we're gonna see it. Probably I think like 355, 365 for working sets probably. All right guys, so I got 355 pounds for my work sets. I think I got 4 or 5 reps of them. So it's like 160 kg. I definitely think I got 3 sets. So still controlled, still tempoed, everything. Gotta control my breathing, keep my tightness in my core, and just remember to just keep breathing. Like when I explain the breathing, like what my coach says is when you go down, you hold your breath, go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Right when you come up, exhale. So like it's kind of like if you ever do taekwondo or like martial arts, basically the same repetitions of those. Yeah, definitely helps the way I lift up with the heavy weights and stuff. So it's good. That's just one way I think of it. That's one way I go about it. And since I've been going about it, it's been going good. So I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna try and talk. I'm gonna try and talk why I hit it, so you guys get a better understanding. But it works for me. So it might not work for you, but it definitely works for me. So, all right, hit this. Get my little shake in. Everybody's laughing at my shake. I don't give a fuck. All right. One, two. It's 2. 3. Do an extra one still. Almost killed myself, but got it. But yeah, that's basically how I do the breathing. That's how I take my time with the tempo. Just gotta count that like in your head, like hold your breath kind of in a way. As soon as you get down, you wanna pop up and breathe out. Hold your core tight in. And yeah, that's how I do it. That was my 3 sets of 355, tempoed, 5 reps. That went well. I rated like a good 8.5, a good 9. Yeah, like I feel very good, very refueled. For my compounds, that was amazing. Like, and it's my first time squatting with the kg weights. Yeah, I give that a 9, 8.5. So now we're gonna move on to leg press. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. But which I figured out, probably the orange one maybe. Get a good press with those ones. And I'm gonna take off these weights. We'll go to that one, and that's good still. Okay, so now we got a leg press. Gonna load these up, 45. 6 to 8 reps with these, just lock it in, fill it out. This machine looks good too. Just get this in. Oh man. So, whoa. Alright. Oh, that feels best. All right. Yeah, that feels good. It's a pain to get in and out, but that feels good, yo. I'm gonna probably add like 2 more plates to this. Second set, yeah, 2 more plates to this. Yeah. All right, let's get it. It's just a pain to get in and out. That's it. Put some weight up top here after. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I like how these plates sound too. They're like, kind of like iron, but they're like plastic. I like it still. Second set, 6 to 8 reps. Let's get this, man. Holy. Sucks to be a big guy sometimes. I'm not even that big. All right. Yo, everywhere you go, you hear Drake. Bro, my one trainer from football, he used to hate Drake. Not hate him, but like, it's just like, he just hated the fact that everywhere you go in Toronto, you hear Drake. Drake's a good guy. If I see Drake, I'm gonna hail him, one of the dogs in, but it's annoying. You go Tim Hortons, you go Winners, you go fucking to the mall, you're gonna hear Drake everywhere. He's just that guy. He's just that, you know what I mean? But you can't hate him. He's a guy still. You can't hate him. I kind of want to be a dickhead, but I'm not too sure. Dickhead or what? 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 Dickhead. All right. We're gonna add more weight because I'm not no bitch. I don't give a fuck. It's not even being. I'm not no eager shit. Like, I gotta really feel these workouts, man. I gotta really hit these weights. I'm not here wasting no time for nothing. I need to get fucking D'd, and this is what we're doing. Because if anybody else is here, they're gonna say, "Oh, add on some weight," and that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. So we're gonna add on the weights, right? You gotta work out you gotta work out and talk to yourself like you're crazy. I ain't crazy. I know what to do. I hit these weights because I enjoy it. I love it. Get my frustration out. You guys got a little tapness on me for 2 seconds, but it's okay. All right, let's go. Ooh. Up. 2, 3. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that was challenging, but that's hardcore 8 fitness for you, bro. Anything you fucking do, hardcore 8 fitness. Hardcore. Don't settle yourself short, bro. Anything that hurts, struggle, gotta go through it. Break up with your girl, have an argument with your parents, siblings, at work you get fired, come to the gym and lift some weights, bro. Heavy. No matter if you, bro, heavy, bro. Feel that shit out. Love it, enjoy it. You'll be good. You'll be good. Later tonight, I'm gonna eat my food, drink some water, and be like, yo, I had a good ass workout. You know why? Because I went hard. Hard. No baby shit, man. No baby shit. Push yourself, man. And you gotta be a gentleman and put back the weights. You know? Simple stuff, man. You'll get it done. But, oh shit. Oh shit. My legs are livid. All right. After I'm done putting these away, I'm gonna put leg press. I'm gonna go to leg press. See a leg curl. Let's go. My legs are fucking jelly, bro. Okay, so we got seated leg curls. This one looks kind of crazy. I like it. We're gonna start at like 77. Let me take these off too. Sometimes you gotta figure this shit out, man. All right. Really go control it with this one, man. Really take your time. Really curl your hamstrings, bro. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more for money. Yep. All right. That's blessed, though. Let me find out I can't get up, bro. Let me find out I can't get up, bro. Alright, that's good. I feel like I have to push this up a little bit more, but that's good. You're gonna do 125. There's only 2 sets, so I only have 2 sets of these hamstring curls. I did 77 pounds. I'm gonna do 132. Really control it, really do it, get in the groove again. We'll do it one more time and we're good, we're Gucci. Oh, that's way too up. I like this machine, but like you kind of gotta get like adjusted to you and shit, but it's all good. All right. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you really feel this one in your hamstrings. If you really control it, hell yeah. Gotta stretch after that shit. Oh man. All right, let's go. We got leg extensions. Probably gotta do 2 leg extensions too. That's a leg curl. Leg extensions right here. Look at this artwork too, man. This shit's nice as hell. Some real gladiator shit. Yeah, man. When I was doing my squats on the other wall, I was looking at it too, and yeah, it made me not want to quit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. All right, I'm probably gonna do 113. Rep this out. Feel good and shit. It's too bad. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Probably gonna put it back a little bit. A little bit. Oh, that's all it goes? That's all it goes. Oh, here it is. There you go. Felt it like it was a little bit too up, but it's all good. Probably gonna do 165 now. I did 113, go to 165. Control it, nice, and it's still only 2 sets. So when you're doing 2 sets of these, you gotta really take your time with these. Not really rush it, but you gotta feel it out because it's only 2 sets. And that's it. All right, got these 8 reps, 8 to 10 reps, gotta liven it out. Yeah, that's better already, yo. Holy shit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. All right, we got calves. We hit these calves. And that's oh, it's not even calves. Charles, it's not even calves. It's not even calves. Yeah. It's not even calves either. Yeah, let's do this right here. Do that 110. Oh, chop. All right.
Look at these calves, dog. Quads, I mean, too. Yep. Put that to like 210. I felt easy, yo.
Last set. Last work of the day. Grab some mean food, man. That's your day, man. That's how you start your day off good, man. Let's get this money.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, man. That wraps up my quad workout, tempo squat day, or hardcore 8 fitness. Finished off with some calves. Did some leg press, leg extensions, hamstring curls. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, today I didn't feel like working out, today I didn't feel like coming today. But I came, I did it, feel better, changes your mood, your whole brain set, mindset, everything. So let's keep it going, let's keep doing what we need to do, be better every day, and go through everything with a good mindset, bro. That's it, that's my video. See you on the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get this.